In this video, I'm going to share my technical analysis, forecast, outlook, and predictions on UCAR. This is your power limited. To actually give you my technical analysis, I'm going to use a strategy uh, that has been tested hundreds of times in the past. And you can see all of the credentials, first link in the description. But basically, I'm just going to get your hand, follow you through my analysis and exactly how am I analyzing a stock when I'm actually about to do something. And I'm going to walk you through, follow the rules of this strategy that has been tested hundreds of times, and let's actually get right into it. This statistically has shown to work for me in the past. Now, disclaimer that past success doesn't mean future results, and by no means does this mean that this is financial advice. This is just my perspective and opinion. Not even the CEO knows where the price is going to go tomorrow. You feel me? So let's get right into it. Now, we look at the right corner, the right side of the screen. Basically, we're just kind of hunting right now for previous testimonials on UCAR, and here it is. I have 30-minute prediction. Here is a video proof of it. Please screenshot it, do whatever you want to go check it out if you're skeptic of how we predict this downside moves here. Now, that being said, we're on the other side right now, okay? We just kind of boomed out of nowhere. And disclaimer that we don't even have that much data, okay? We don't have even half a year worth of data on the chart. So this is very kind of skeptical, but we're just gonna nonetheless use the rules of the strategy and system. And what we have said is the following. This prediction, right? And I mentioned in my previous video. Now, if you just look at the chart, it would have been a little bit interesting and different. But we were about only going to look for upside moves if we start to break the structure up here on the 1 minute. We did manage to break the structure up only once. Then after that, we broke back down, which again indicates a huge bearish downside trend. Now we're just trying to find basically a point of a confirmation of by some kind of break that we could be expecting if the price actually breaks that to actually kind of start delivering higher. Now, if the price starts to break the structure, if only if starts to break the structure, something like this, I would definitely look for upside moves as such, but only if basically we do something like this, pull back, and then we break it one more time. That's kind of the game plan. I mean, right now, otherwise, just expecting the lows to continue to get cleared. As simple as that. So, otherwise, it's going to look, I'm just going to get rid of this, and otherwise, this looks bearish. So for right now, I'm bearish. But if the price starts to break the structure up, I'm definitely bullish. As simple as that. You see how we make these videos. Now you might be like, oh, so he said either up or down. No, it's a very big difference, right? Now, if you're kind of a beginner, I'm not basically making fun of you by no means, but if this breaks higher, like with the full candle close, if I'm not behind a chart, I'm definitely going to look for upside moves. This is kind of the confirmation that I'm using at this point. But on the other side, because we're right here and haven't actually broken above the structure, I'm looking for downside moves. As simple as it.